Hello friends, in today's video, we present the top 6 things which you should do before your exams. Friends, it's exam season and it can be quite tough to prepare for those big tests. But don't worry, we've got 6 tips and tricks to help you to ace your exams and make studying a little less tough. So let's get started with the first thing that you should do before your exams. Friends, the first tip is start studying early. One of the most common mistakes which students might make is waiting until the last minute to start studying. Start your preparations as early as possible before your exams so that you will have more time to cover all the study material. Friends, the second tip is create a study schedule. Make a list of all the subjects which you need to study and break them down into smaller chunks of time. In this way, you can make sure that you are covering everything which you need to know and you won't feel stressed out by trying to cram everything in at the last minute. Friends, the third tip is stay organized. Keep all of your notes and study materials in one place so you can easily find what you need and when you need it. And don't forget to take breaks, as it is important to give your mind a rest and come back to your studies refreshed. Friends, the fourth tip is practice past papers. This is a great way to get an idea of what to expect on the day of the exam. And it will also help you to identify the areas where you need to focus your studying. Friends, the fifth point is find a study buddy. Having someone to study with can make the process a lot more fun and it will also keep you accountable. You can quiz each other and can help each other out with any difficult concepts. And friends, the sixth point is set small goals for yourself and then reward yourself when you achieve them. This will help you to keep you motivated and will also make the studying process feel more manageable and exciting. And friends, always keep saying to yourself, I can do it. Always remain positive. So friends, I hope that you have enjoyed the small video on the top 6 things which you should do before your exams. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will be uploading a new video soon. Friends, in order to watch all my latest videos, do subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button and do click this bell icon to get notifications whenever I publish a new video.